What is the difference between being literate and being educated? It's a question that's worth pondering, isn't it? Consider this. A person who can read, write, and do basic math is literate. It's a fundamental skill set that allows us to function in the modern world. It's like knowing how to swim when you're in water. But does knowing how to swim mean you understand the ocean's current, or how to navigate your way when you're lost at sea? Not quite. Education, on the other hand, goes beyond basic literacy. It's about understanding and interpreting the world around us. It's about having the knowledge and wisdom to make informed decisions. It's about being able to differentiate between right and wrong and making ethical choices. It's like being a seasoned sailor who understands the ocean's current, knows how to navigate, and can survive at sea. Let's take the example of two individuals, John and Mary. John can read and write. He can do basic math. He knows how to use a computer. He's literate, no doubt. But when it comes to understanding the complexities of the world, he struggles. Mary, on the other hand, has a good understanding of the world. She's well versed in history, politics, science, and philosophy. She can analyze situations, make informed decisions, and articulate her thoughts eloquently. Yes, she's literate, but she's also educated. So literacy and education, while interconnected, are not the same. Literacy is about acquiring basic skills, while education is about understanding and interpreting the world around us. It's about being a well-rounded individual who can think critically, solve problems, and make informed decisions. In conclusion, while literacy is a necessary skill for survival in the modern world, education is what truly empowers us. It's what allows us to navigate the complex seas of life with wisdom and understanding. Being literate means you can read the map, but being educated means you know how to chart your course. So remember, literacy is just the starting point. Education is the journey.